Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a fidget order video, packing everything. But just a quick disclaimer before I start the video is that this is fake. I don't actually have a fidget store, and this is just for fun. So let's get into it. Okay, so it looks like we have an order from hashtag 936058, and they only want pink fidgets. So let's go to my bin over here. So, my sketchbook. I'm opening this bin. And here are all my fidgets right now. So, let's see what we have. So, I have a pink. Ooh, I have a pink monkey noodle. So she could have that. I'm assuming it's a girl because they want pink fidgets. I also have a pink fidget spinner right here. Sadly, I don't have any pink poppets, but maybe I'll throw one in there for an extra. I have a few stress balls that are pink. I have this, a cat one. It has a really cute face. And I just got it. And you might have saw it in my last video. Yeah, I'll give this to her. There's the pile right there. I also have this really cute little, like, it's a little rough though. I don't mind. I'll keep that. I could give this little pink piggy. Yeah, I like this one better than the other one. I'll add one more pink stress ball in there. Yeah, I'll do this one because it color changes. Because I have another one, but actually this one color changes too. It color changes into green. But I think she'll like this one more because it changes to purple. So I'll give her that one. Okay, I think that's enough stress balls. I'm going to throw in a few more items. Oh, I have a little like pink. Ooh. This is stuff. Okay. I have this like pink and bluish slinky. So I think I'll throw that in there. And one second. Fixing this. Pop it. Ugh. And then, sorry about my voice, you guys. I'm a little like tired and stuff right now. So, slinky won't stay. Whatever, fix it. I think I'll also add this simple dimple in there. And I'll throw in a few extra things. So for the extras, I usually throw in like either like a homemade thing or something. But I don't think she'll like, I don't know. I think I'll throw in a few mochis, a poppet, and a squishy. So first I'm going to decide on a poppet. I think this girl likes like pastel colors and stuff because she asked for pink. So I'm going to give her this light purple square poppet. Let me just fix this. Okay, I'll add that in there. And then I need to organize this. And a few mochis and a squishy. Or I'll throw in a slime. Let me see if I have any like good little squishies. And I think she'll like the slime better. Because I have a few pink slimes. I'll throw in this slime. It has like strawberries in it. Let me like, here. It is like really cute. Let me set it on the floor for you guys. Yeah, it is like really cool. It has these like little Ugh, if I can get it out. Here, let me put it down for a second. If I can even get it out. Okay, so they have little like strawberries in it, which are very cute little decorations. So I will put it in there. There's a few of them in there. Okay, I have that slime done. I'll put that right there for now. And then these pink mochis, because I have them. So I'm going to put my bag. I'll show you guys the ones that I will be giving her. Then I'll throw in a little booty one in there. If I can get it. It has some pink on it. Here's a blush. It has blush. So I have this. It's a little piggy, I think. I don't know what this is. It's really cute. I have this. I don't know what this is either. And an extra blue little hedgehog with some pink on it because it has blush on it. So that's why there's some pink on it. Because it blushes. So yeah, I think I'm going to start packing up the order now. So here's her whole order. So I'm just going to count how much things are in this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 things are in here. What's that? I need to shut the door. I'll just sit down a bit.
You okay?
Yeah. So that's background noises, guys. But yeah, let's start packing this order. Yes, it is an Easter themed bucket, so I will be using this. So okay, pop it in there, and then I have the slime, and then this monkey noodle. I'm gonna put that monkey noodle in there. A fidget spinner, and I'll come back in a second. I just need to organize this stuff. So like a simple dimple in here. This monkey noodle is ruining everything. Okay, this simple dimple. My little stress balls I'll put in there. That. And I'm almost done. I'm not the best organizer, FYI. Don't need that in the slinky. Okay, last two things. Squeeze this in there. Then the monkey noodle. But yeah, here is the order. This is the order. know you can't really see everything because I'm not that good at organizing, but this is the order, and I hope she really likes it. So I'll just send this off to the door. And I'll wait for them to pick it up. Or I'll wait for it to send. I'll wait for them to send the package to them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more of these, I will. I'll probably be posting a few of these a day. And yeah, but I can't wait until that person gets their package. I think they will really enjoy it. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day or night. Bye!